My favorite mopping pets refill. I love it so much. I do love the texture of it a lot, and it is so easy to wash my floor right now. I'm very excited about this purchase. That's how it looks. And before I start to use it, I always try to do it a little bit puffier so it grabs more dirt on my floor. And I do have a lot of pets. I have 3 kids, and so of course I need to clean everything properly, and I have a lot of dust and dirt on my floor. So I do love this company, and I always get different things from them, and it's always the best quality. You can see multiple layers for different purposes. It is compatible with Swiffer Power Mop, which is very important for me because I have it. It is very easy to install it and remove it, and it saves so much time for me. I can wash my floor so fast now, and it is so convenient that I can just use it, throw it away, or wash it in the washing machine and use it again. It is multi-purpose.